Hello guys, for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-register kay Royal Circle Club. So, pagka-copy nyo po ng link, ito po ang lalabas. And then, lagay nyo lang po yung username nyo. Example is Buenas01. Lagay po kayo ng password. And then, yung full name nyo po. Sample lang po yan ha. And then, yung cellphone number po natin. Yan, for example lang po yan ha. And click po natin yung I have read terms and conditions. So, yun lang po. And then, click lang po ang register. So, after po natin maklik yung register, yan po yung lalabas. Okay na po yan. I-click lang po natin yung deposit now para makapag-deposit po tayo. So, ito po. Ito po, click po natin yung deposit. Ayan, pagka-click po natin ng deposit, i-click po natin yung GCash. Tapos, kung magkano po yung ide-deposit natin, for example, is 500 pesos. And then, wag na lang po tayong magkiklik ng bonus para wag po tayong magkaroon ng turnover. Ayan po yung mga bonus natin. Additional 3% bonus up to 1.5 po. So, click lang po natin yung deposit. Ayan, ilalagay po natin dito yung GCash number po natin. Tapos po nating malagay yung GCash number po natin, meron pong OTP na magte-text. So, ito po ay safe dahil sa inyo lang naman po ito mapapapunta. So, ayan po yung OTP is ilalagay po natin yung last po na number. So, yung 523705, yan po yung ilalagay natin. 523705. Then, click lang po natin yung next. After po natin maklik yung next, maglalagay din po tayo ng MP natin, which is safe pa rin po dahil yan po ay may provider na nakasave po ang GCash nyo. Hindi po na mawawala yung laman ng GCash natin kung magkano lang po yung nilagay natin. So, i-click po natin yung next. Ayan, pag ganyan po, okay na. So, balik po tayo sa ating account. So, dito po siya lalabas. I-refresh lang po natin. Punta po tayo sa home. Ayan, nakita nyo po. Ayan po yung 500 pesos sa Royal CC. So, pag mga online, pag pupunta tayo sa bingo, dito lang tayo pupunta sa live casino or sa Evolution. Ayan, Evolution. Dito sa Evolution, marami pong laro ang makikita natin dito. Makikita natin si Mega Ball, si Crazy Time, si Monopoly. Ito po yung mga top na nilalaro ng mga players. So, dito muna tayo kay Mega Ball. Ito yung kay Mega Ball. So, makikita nyo dyan sa baba yung mga lumalabas na multiplier. At ang naglalaro ay 2,588. So, click lang po natin yung play. Click lang natin yung got it. So, nandito sa baba, makikita natin yung mga nananalo tsaka nagchat. Nandito po yung chat. Ayan yung chat. Makikita natin dyan kung sino yung dealer, tapos yung mga chat ng mga naglalaro. Ito naman sa baba is yung cards. Buy 1 card, buy 10 cards, buy 15. Sa value naman, pwede natin siyang gawing 5 pesos. Ito, babawasan, tapos dadagdagan mo. Oh my God, nag 25 times, hindi tayo umabot. So, yung multiplier na yun, yun po yung malaki ang times. Pag color pink, 25, 50, tsaka 100. And then, 15, 20 is purple. So, bawasan natin, gawin natin 5 pesos. And then, bili po tayo ng cards na mga 50 pesos. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang baguhin, i-refresh nyo kung hindi nyo type yung card. Pero, after po nung 10 seconds, di nyo na mababago. So, yan, automatic na siyang nagtatantos paglabas nung mga, mga bola. Ayan, paglabas nyo yan. So, ganun lang siya, automatic siya magtatantos. 20 balls per session. So, yung pinaka number 20 is yung tinatawag natin na mega ball. Yun yung magta-times yung nakukuha nyo na lines. O, ito may puro na tayo is pag lumabas yung 33 may 5 pesos tayo. So, yan yung mga numbers. Kita nyo naman. Hanggang 400 po na cards ang pwede nyong bilhin. Tapos ay, ang pinakamataas na value is 500 per cards. Oo nga, 500 per cards. So, yan. Wala ako nakuha. Ayun, may nakuha tayo ng line. So, pinakamataas natin is 32. Tapos, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo yung multiplier. 12 times. Pag nakuha natin yung 32, ayan, wala. Hindi natin nakuha. So, ganun lang guys, kadali maglaro ng Mega Ball dito. And, laro lang ulit tayo. Click lang natin is, taya ka lang ulit kung ilan ang gusto mong itaya. Ayan. Ito, magbili ako ng 130 pesos na cards. So, minimum cash in po dito is 100 pesos. Pwede kang magpa-isa-isa lang na card, padalo-dalawa. So, ganun lang po kadali maglaro kay Mega Ball sa Royal CC. So, ayan, baka bebenasin na tayo. Lines, please. Makikita pala natin dito sa payouts. Ayan, payouts. 6 lines, 50,000. So, kung 6 lines tapos 100 times, meron kang 5 million. Kung 5 lines naman, tapos 100 times ang last ball, meron kang 500,000. Ayan, meron tayo. Isa pa, please. Isa pa. Isa pa. Ayan. Daming puro, guys. Oh my God. 5x lang. So, yung 5x yung pinakamababa. Ayan. So, ayun. 10 pesos lang yung napanalo na natin. So, ganun lang siya guys, kadali. Ayan, buy ulit tayo ng 50 cards. 67. Ayan.
Can we sing something together again? And the 100x multiplier is nice one. I don't know, we need to create the lyrics exactly for Mega Ball. I will write down all of my imaginations about this lyrics is I'm look like a Harry Potter, yes? Which kind of version? So, see, I already see the player which is calls me a Harry Potter. You know, once a time the player called me a Harry Potter's Romanian cousin. Let's see the multiplier. I don't know why exactly Romanian.
Ayan, 15 times
15x
guys.
multiplier for this round.
Para may makuha tayo.
And the Mega Ball
Wala
is
na.
4.
So, ganun lang po tayo tumaya. Sa withdrawal naman is madali lang din. Magmi-withdraw ka lang naman. Click mo lang yung withdraw. Po tayo sa natitirang 245 pesos. Sana manalo tayo.
Sandra is your host for this session. Ed Sheeran. We have this choice as well. Remind me the Ed Sheeran song. The popular one. It was the perfect, I guess. Name was the perfect of this song.
More lines, please. Seven balls to go.
Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Yun, muro. So, pinakamaganda dito. Oh, putang ina. 3 lines yun. Isa pa, please. Isa pa.
Time to see the
Shit.
multiplier.
Ayun, shit. Shit. 12, please. 12. 12, please. 12. 12. Putang ina, oh. Shit, guys. Sayang, namuro. 12. Kung 12, 12,000 sana, oh. Sayang. Grabe. So, gano'n, napakaganda.
Congratulations.
Napakaganda talaga ng Mega Ball, guys.
Hope we can do better.
Sayang, namuro 4 times, oh.
Yes, you remember maybe because
So, pag maraming lines, mas malaki yung pwede ko mapanalunan.
So maybe we will do this again. Good luck, dude.
Sayang, guys. Anong ganda nun, oh. 4 lines sana. 12K.
Sherlock,
Pero
Spider-Man,
mo yung 245 mo, mananalo ka ng 12,000,
What
di ba?
will be next? Which kind of
Sobrang
nickname
ganda.
I will have? Maybe Sandro is enough.
Oh, shit. 3 lines ka agad, oh.
So let's
Sayang.
see the multiplier. We will see against Lorena and Laylee. 12x multiplier. See the Mega Ball?
13. 32.
And the new number is
Sayang to.
32 with the
2
12x
lines
multiplier.
agad. So, panalo 2 lines ng
I was
25
able to have
pesos.
71 winner in this round. Oh, really? We have a winner with the 5 line in this round. Amazing. Congratulations. Travel together. And I wish so. Betting time is over.
Ning Ning!
May I use the special sentences like a Harry Potter, like an Experto Patronus or something? Three lines already. See the prize is my dear.
Tang ina na mura.
That's the
4 lines
10x
sana.
multiplier. See the Mega Ball.
Wala, hindi ko.
In a double time. I'm cute, I'm
Ganda
cute.
sana
That
nung
means that
kumakuha ako sa
I'm talking
video.
about myself and in the same time I'm pronouncing your name. Because I believe that at least I'm cute. Because if I look like a Spider-Man, Harry Potter, Ed Sheeran or someone, all of them were cute, I guess. Am I right? Really? Well, nice questions. See the Mega Ball. And new number is a 44 after the 43. Congratulations. Exactly 600 winner with a 10x multiplier. And wish you good luck, all of you. Welcome all newcomers. Yeah, welcome all newcomers to the Salo. Excuse me, to the Mega Ball. Welcome to the Mega Ball. I was a little bit confused in 1 second. Now we may continue session. Betting time is over.
Ning Ning, ano ba yan?
That's good.
Papaiyakan kayo ah.
I mean, I'm a little bit hungry right now. But I miss the Georgian food because I'm from Georgia and it's a long time ago that I have possibilities to eat something Georgian, I guess.
Hindi pa bilhin 12K.
See the prizes. 5x multiplier for this round. See the Mega Ball, please. And that's the 17. 600. Welcome newcomers. Just in case, my name is Sandro. Param pam pam para para pam pam pam. So, where is the lines? Here we go. More than 400 with 1 line. 3 line already. See the multiplier, please. That's the 10x for this round. See the Mega Ball. And the Mega Ball is a 19 for this round. 1,352 winner in totally. Congratulations. Good luck to you. Let's see what will be next. Hello everybody. What's your favorite song? We are talking about the Georgian cuisine because some of the players thought that I was hungry right now. I am a little bit. It depends on what the offer is. If it's a pizza, I'm always hungry. I can eat pizza all the time. Pizza and khinkali. These two things are my favorite ones. 2 lines already.
Sapa, please, Lord. Sapa.
Is it your birthday?
Sapa.
I'm gonna sing the birthday song for you.
Shit.
Let me check the multiplier. It's the 5x multiplier.
Okay lang, Lord. 36 mo.
So, see the Mega Ball.
23 ka. Hayop.
And this is the 23. Congratulations. 1,180 winner in this round. So, who has the birthday today? Can we sing together, my dear players? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, lovely player. Happy birthday to you. I don't believe that I was the better than Monroe, but still I tried to do my best. Good luck to you. Someone has the birthday tomorrow. Celebration. See the multiplier. Nice 20x multiplier. Check the Mega
Six.
Ball.
28.
Ta-da! And this is a 28,262 winner in this round. Congratulations with the 20x multiplier. We collect